Ke batla ho le dumedisa ka leina la Jesu Kriste, amen. Ke batla ho dumedisa le baruti, amen, and most importantly malume wa ka, morning commander, morning. Okay, today I'm going to be reading the reads. Okay. Lala ngoxolo Nkosi, lala dlamini lala. Wena kunene. May God prepare you. Please prepare a place, especially for you in paradise, from Nsalong family in Watville. Okay. I will always miss you and cherish the moments we had. And I pray that your soul rest in peace by Utukile. You were a father, not just a colleague. Sis Melis. Dear Malume, aka Malumi, I will miss you dearly. I will cherish the jokes that we shared together. Rest well, Nyavuthanda. You will remain Ifevileti Yam by me. From Umkhonto Wesizwe, Local Election Command Team, may your beloved soul rest in peace. You will always be remembered by your kindness. From the unrecognized sub-regional committee, you left us bleeding. May your beloved and wonderful soul rest in peace. I said it. My one and only brother, I will always cherish the moments we shared in your lifetime. May your soul rest in peace. Usisibusi. Mama. Yeah. Okay. To the Nkosi and Matojani families, in this difficult time, may God hold you close to his heart, where he can feel your deepest loss and fill you with his deepest love. From IHG Temple of Grace. Father Babake, aka Bhekithemba Nkosi, you taught me so much in my life and Elozini. I just wanted to say that I will always love you wherever you go. Babako, you will always be loved by me. From Unoluthando Nkosi. I will miss you, my son. Rest in peace. From Ukoko.